right, we have a little dog collar from the dollar store, and we're going to make a collar for a dog with his name on it. We've called him Hunter. This is so easy to do. I'm using 123 Flex and my Cricut, and we've put the phone number where if Hunter gets lost, he can be found. So since this is the longest thing we have to put on, we're going to put that on first. This is a warm peel. I'm going to press this one more time. This time I'm going to use a release paper to cover the vinyl. And just to make sure it's adhered to the collar. Here we go. Lucky little Hunter. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.